adapted at Riffs, and today we're going to continue on Layla. All right, so you got this open A string, and then you got the C note right here, and then C sharp minor 7. Right, so it's pretty much like you're going to do an E major chord. It's like a D shape, but you scoot it up a whole step. Throw your pinky on there, but in this case, we're just going to do the whole thing. And then take that exact same shape and just scoot it up a string. So now it's a G sharp 7. It's kind of like you're doing a G sharp major bar chord, except you take your pinky off. Back to that first chord, but you're only really hitting the bottom 4 strings. So it's, again, sounds like an E major at this point. And then you got a C major, and then a D major, and then a big fat E major. But he's gonna turn it into a 7 by throwing a pinky right here. So that's the B string on the 3rd fret. Or you could take your ring finger off, similar effect, an octave lower. And then you got F sharp minor, and then you got a B7. If I had to guess, he does a lot of 7s. So we got the minor, and then we got a 7 right here. So it's like you're doing a major, except you drop this note to there. And then you got E major, and then A major. You do that twice. And then from there it goes back into the chorus. And last week I told you to slide up to here. You could just do the C like this, like a normal C, and lift up your ring finger to get that root note. It's entirely up to you. If I had to guess, he probably does it like this. Anyways, good luck, son. Good luck.